Welcome back to day one of fixing my life. So my life has gone very bad now because I'm my habit. I couldn't control myself. Like I let myself do anything I want. So myself like being lazy. So we just keep doing lazy things, and I just lost like all the tracks that I want to achieve my goal. And this is the video of the day one of trying to fix my life, trying to fix my habit. But today I already fell in the mornings. I tried to wake up at 5 a.m. but I couldn't because I kind of have insomnia. Last night I slept at around 2. I couldn't sleep. I tried to sleep around 10 so I can wake up at 5 a.m. But I end up sleep at 2 and wake up at 9 p.m. 9 p.m. I even late to school. Go late to school. School started at 7 and I went there at 9. But here are the things. Today have to be changed and I will record everything. I try to fix myself. I will go to the gym. I will work on trading. I will study trading. I will be better at teaching and trying to learn how to make my own business and stuff. And also I will try to learn how to build my own websites and try to prepare all my room because it looks pretty messy right now. And I was cleaning my house. I haven't cleaned it for like a month already, but normally I usually like clean it like once a week, maybe twice a week. Even like my dishes, I barely doing that. I barely touch it because I would never stay at home, and I always put it right there and never touch it. And you can see how chopped I am right now. I look so chopped because I'm being lazy, wake up late and sleep late night. My eyes like went down, and I hope everything will change after this, and I will try my best. I will not let myself down again. Alright, so since we don't go to school, we don't do anything, we're just wasting time. And I will do my fucking laundry and then washing my dishes right over here. Oh man, it's so fucking hectic right now. Just don't know what to do with my life, It's like after being in a hole for like a month, I feel like so dumb and so slow. Progress slow, seems slow and everything. Feels like useless person ever, and I will prove myself wrong what I said to myself. I'm not useless person. I am someone, I'm somebody, and I one day I'm gonna become a fucking millionaire. I always said that. I don't care. Right now I'm a fucking idiot. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna prove myself wrong by doing a lot of work. So in this video I was finished my dishes and also my laundry, and after that I'm trying to say be going to trading after that, and because my watch doesn't work so I gotta do what over. Okay, so let's get back on the tracks. Be back to trading and stuff, but I haven't prepared my home yet. I might be doing because it's my trading time right now, so I want to focus on trading first, and then we go to the gym. Back from the gym I will just prepare my home, but it's actually 3 p.m. right now. And this morning I went to school late and I went back from school around 5:30. No, 11. Got some lunch at school too. And we're gonna trade gold today. Let's see how it goes. but I can put indicator. So what we do first, we're gonna mark Asia high and Asia low. So let's see. Asia high from Asia high is 5 to 12 p.m. EU 17 in my trading. Mong prem na tanache. Here's Asia high. Asia opens. And then 12 p.m. So that means Asia low right here. This Asia low. This Asia low. So let me sweep the Asia low. London's should be going up. We'll wait for the entry first. Opening price was right here. Yeah. And then waiting for Judas wink. I don't really confirm with it, but let's see. Price is gonna go up for real. But what we gotta do is wait for the entry, 5-minute entry. Could not find the entry yet. Should wait. Right here. Wait until it comes to OTE level right here. Let's see. But with this, we don't have much confirmations. No FEG, no order block. I'm not sure it's gonna come back here. So I'll continue. And also thank you to brother that gave me this watch. I know he gonna get a big gift one day when I get rich. He just gave me this watch at the gym. I was just telling him, oh, I like your watch. I'm just telling him, oh, your watch look nice. And he just suddenly tell me, oh, you like this watch? Take it. What the fuck? I didn't even like, I just give him a compliment and they give me this watch. But it's fine. It's cost. I already checked online, it's cost. I don't know what the brand it is, but I already checked online, it's cost like $68 for this watch. It's a good quality too. Thanks for him. Weird. So we can stop right now. Alright, so I want to put a trade right here. If we look at 5 minutes, I see there is we already hit OTE and it's swept Asia low, and then and I would say it's gonna go high. This I'll put TP right here, but because I have a budget, but I generally want to put like, because I already lost one trade, but I want to put it at Asia high. But okay, maybe just here. I'm not just greedy. I don't want to be greedy a bit. Oh, wait. I don't want to be greedy. I wish my English was better. And so I put my TP just right here. Just right London high right here. And let's see how it goes. And I'll be doing my stuff with my school stuff right here. Let's see. So I already made a trade. I see it came to took OTE right here, and I just put an entry. Yep, it's take my stop loss. I guess it's gonna take my stop loss. But no. I just what's happening, bro? I hate this shit. Why I can put anything in it? I don't know what's happened to TradingView right now. Alright guys, as you see right here, I was take two trade, but the trade was just taking my stop loss. So I'm done with the trade. But you see here, it's not haven't took my stop loss yet, but it's actually took it. And I'm done with the trade, and I'm going to the gym. So right, we got into the gym. I'm sorry that I forgot to record earlier. And today actually not my leg day, but because this guy right here, he want me to join his leg day, so I bet I want to do leg day also, so why not? And his leg day just really killed me, so I decided to join his leg day. But it's actually my chest day. Actually, you can see how chub I am, how fat I am right now, and trying to improve myself. I'm 20 years old right now, have nothing to prove, and try my best, and actually this leg day really killed me, and I love the way he teach me also, and I learned a lot from him. And after that, I finish workout with him, and then I come back home and I do my stuff that I need to do, and then go back to sleep earlier like I did, but still waking up late. You can see so in another video. I did it. Damn it, I forgot to record everything that I did, so I better like record it next time, so I post it probably tomorrow. Tomorrow I have student tomorrow? No, tomorrow I didn't have student, but today I finished teaching one student, and I went back from the gym with the Edu Black, my guy right here. And actually I forgot to put the video that I've been teaching student about the Khmer language, my own language, and I just teach him how to pronounce the alphabet, and that's it. And then when I finish it, I go to the gym with Udu Black right there, and that's it. And today was it. I'm trying to go to sleep at 10 as I can, so I gotta wake. Alright, good morning guys. This is day 2 of fixing my life, but it's still not great. It's still getting worse. I sleep at 10 a.m. I try to wake up at 5, but I end up wake up at 9 p.m. I don't know why I need to be sleep that much. And I even put the alarm, like probably 4 alarm. It didn't wake me up. I don't know why. So hard. And I skip school again. I don't want to do that because my mom want me to go to school. My grandma who have me pay me the bill to school. I feel like I'm really disappointed there, but I'll try my best again.